Tuesday, December 19th. Focus. Do not be afraid. Your prayer has been heard. Don't worry. I will pray for you is something we often hear. While I know that God always hears prayer, I wonder if God treats us as His children and already knows what we need, why do we need to pray or intercede at all? Such doubts surface especially during the dark night of the soul. However, the story of Elizabeth and Zechariah is encouraging. Both had been faithful all through life, but their ardent desire for a child had not been fulfilled. Yet, they never stopped praying. It inspires me to not give up praying either. The first reading about the birth of Samson also shows that God always listens and never forgets. Like the psalmist experiences, when I pray earnestly, I see God as both my rock and fortress. My conduct can also serve as a sign to others. Hence, I choose to continue to pray to a God who is ever loving, faithful, and attentive. Even when I feel my prayers are not heard, or that God has forgotten me, or that my expectations are not met. The experience of Elizabeth and Zechariah also shows that those who are loyal to God may sometimes be called to a deeper faith involving a privileged closeness to God. Fruit. As we wait for God to intervene in our own situation, we are inspired by Elizabeth and Zechariah to remain faithful in prayer and duty.